Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage app updates on your Telegram X account easy and quickly. So first, enter Telegram X, go to these three lines and then go to the settings and then go to the interface. So as you see here, we have this app update settings, so you can check for updates, you can subscribe to beta updates also. So that's how to manage the app updates settings on your Telegram X account easy and quickly. So that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.